The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Michigan counties: Kalamazoo and Van Buren, effective until tomorrow at 4 minutes past midnight. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Van Buren County, in southwestern Michigan, western Kalamazoo County, in southwestern Michigan, until midnight, Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mattawan, or 6 miles east of Pawpaw, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kalamazoo, Portage, Pawpaw, Mattawan, Lawton, Decatur, Parchment, Schoolcraft, Richland, Comstock Northwest, Westwood, Gull Lake, Alamo, Keeler, Lawrence, Ouachita, Kendall, Comstock, Cooper. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.